Hi, my name is Raymond, the product manager of the UNO 2000 series. This video will show you the 2484G concept and assembling process based on the different configuration and mounting kit you selected. The UNO 2484 is the performance level Fanless embedded PC with 3 different types of standard configuration. We have Core i7, i5, and i3 processor with 4GB LAN, 4 USB 3.0, HDMI, and DP dual display, and 10 to 36 volts wireless DC input. For second layer, Universal 2484G is able to support up to 4 iDOOR expansion through the mini PCIe card. Due to 2484G standard model is 1 layer without expansion. So if there is only communication requirements, then you can directly implement 3G, 4G, or Wi-Fi mini card on 1 layer UNO. But if you have non-communication or more than 2 iDOOR expansion requests, you have to choose 2-stack 2484G to use the EKAE kit based on the first layer. For second layer extension kit assembling process, first step, you have to remove the slide-in bottom cover of UNO and rubber stopper. Then you can find the reserve screw from EKAE for assembling later. Easily docking 2-stack through board-to-board connector. Then you can install any kinds of iDOOR module in second layer. Last step is to assemble the bottom cover back. Then you'll get the 2-stack 2484 with any iDOOR expansion you want. The last section is about the lockable kit on UNO. This is the lockable kit we call the LKAE, which can fix the external cable preventing vibration issue. First step is to assembling the lockable screw on UNO, and then adjust the screw unlockable kit to fix the cable dimension and the length. Use the plastic lock stopper to fix the cable, and then screw tight again to make sure all cables are fixed. Thanks for your attention. Please contact Raymond Lee if you have any question unclearly.